Necessary daily 20 Bangla expressions with English translations. Here are 20 common Bengali expressions with their English translations that can be useful in daily conversations. Apni ki manakin? How are you? Formal. Tumi ki manacho? How are you? Informal. Ami beloeki. I am fine. Donabad. Thank you. Apner nam ki? What is your name? Name. Amar nam. Named. My name is name. Ki kobor? What's the news? / how are things? Shabthik ache. Everything is fine. Ami but parchina. I don't understand. Abar buluan. Please say it again. Kodotaka? How much does it cost? Adakoti? Where is this? Ami Jabo. I will go. Ashen. Come. / please come. Basan. Sit down. / please sit. Kabar Twari. Food is ready. Amar Kudapayesh. I am hungry. Amar Joel Kadich Korch. I feel like drinking water. Shomoikoto. What is the time? Shiboratri. Good night.